Collagen, the very glue that holds us all together. The problem is we begin losing collagen in the body at age 25, and it just accelerates from there. In fact, starting at age 25, you lose about 1% per year, and by the age of 50, most people have lost 25 to 50% of the collagen that they had when they were younger. Since collagen is the very glue that holds us all together, it's very important to try to hang on to as much of that as we can. And the good news is you can do that through supplementation. There have been several new high-quality studies that included biopsies to test the efficacy of collagen peptides added to the diet, proving once and for all that not only did it slow or stop collagen loss in individuals in those studies, it actually increased the collagen levels in the skin and body. Really, really good news if you're younger, like in your 20s, because you can do something about it now to stop the loss. Even better news for those of us who are older, like me, I'm 61, and lucky for me, having been an esthetician in skincare for the last 38 years, I learned about collagen a lot earlier than a lot of other folks did and use it myself every day. Now, what we're talking about here is not collagen itself, but collagen peptides, the actual amino acids that your body uses to create and build and hang on to collagen. And there are a variety of ways in which you can get these peptides through diet and also again through supplementation. But there's a key factor, a nutrient, a vitamin that you must have also in your diet and enough of it in your body to actually help these amino acids do the work that they need to do. And that would be vitamin C. And of course, getting and maintaining the appropriate level of vitamin C in the body can be achieved through your diet, such as citrus fruits, and also supplementation. And then of course, there are different sources for these amino acids: hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides or bovine collagen peptides that can be added to food or beverages in their powder form. And for convenience, you can also get collagen peptides in gummy form, which is something that I use. I travel a lot and it just makes it a lot easier. So I'm able to ensure that I get what I need every single day. Now, supporting collagen production should be a key part of everyone's overall health and anti-aging strategy. That's why I'm excited to introduce a new formula of collagen peptides in a gummy form that meet my high standards called Replenish Mode. And why I'm excited about this new formula of mine is that it does some key things that you don't find in common collagen peptide products. This formulation of marine-based collagen peptides also includes the vitamin C that you need to help with collagen production synthesis, protect the collagen you do have, and improve the skin's hydration, elasticity, firmness, and brightness. It also includes vitamin E, which helps protect your existing collagen, and improving your overall skin's health, hydration, through its antioxidant protection. And here's what really makes this formulation of collagen peptide gummies so special. We've included the vitamin biotin. Biotin and collagen peptides together help support your skin's structure, helping to tighten and improve the elasticity in your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, the sagging of skin, and supporting the production of the fatty acids that build your skin's barrier, helping to improve overall hydration and reducing dryness. Taking just 2 of these per day gives you all of those benefits in one dose in a natural citrusy orange flavor. So if you're looking for a way to really support the collagen levels in your skin and body, Replenish Mode collagen peptide gummies could be the very answer you've been looking for. And they really do taste great. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like it, share it out, let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you decide to try these gummies, I would be very excited to hear your feedback on how they worked for you. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you for joining me, watching, and supporting my work. I really, really appreciate it. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.